Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Twitter X on iPhone and learn how to use it step by step on your iPhone, from creating an account to posting, messaging, customizing your profile and understanding every major features inside the app. And before we jump into the tutorial, let's first clearly understand what X Twitter is. X is a real-time social media and microblogging platform where users share short pieces of content called post, formerly known as the tweet. Unlike platform that focuses mainly on the photos or the long videos, X is built around the fast communication, public conversation and instant global update. It is widely used for the breaking news, technology discussion, events, entertainment, sports, commentary, personal opinions and thoughts, and the engagement. And one of the biggest trends, and X is a real-time information flow. When something happens anywhere in the world, from a major sport event to a technology launch, people talk about it instantly on X. And another key feature of X is the use of hashtag. Hashtag helps categorize content. For example, typing hashtag technology or football hashtag make posts discoverable to the people searching for those topics. And it also has trending topics section to see. So first what you can do is you need to download to the X on the iPhone, open to your app store here, and on the bottom there we can see there's a search bar. Select the search bar and look out for the Twitter X and search for it here. And once you find to this Twitter X, what you can do is we can find this small download icon. You can tap on the small download icon, and if this is your first time downloading your Twitter, you need to confirm it with your Face ID, Touch ID or the password, and you can open it once it gets installed here. And after installed, you can also find it in your home screen, or you can simply open it from the App Store, as I'm going to select from this App Store here. And over here, if you want to get notified when people follow you plus get alerts when people like, comment on your post, these can be configured over here by selecting allow or don't allow. If you want to get notified, you can select allow, but if you do not prefer, so select do not allow here. And you can either log into your own Twitter X, or you can also create another one, as I'm going to select my own. And once you logged into your account here, at the bottom there are 5 icons. There's a home, search, post button, notifications, and the messaging interacting with post there. And in the home, this shows the post from people that you follow, and at the top there's a for you page or the following. Recommended content in the for you, and following is for the only accounts that you follow. You can swipe between them by simply selecting to this swiping right or the left. And on the search icon in the bottom here, once you select to this search here, you can search for the people, search the hashtags, view trending topics, discover news, tap search bar and type anything that you can want. And over here on the bottom right, we can find this a small plus button icon. This is where you create the new post here. And at the bottom we can find there's a notifications icon. This shows all the likes, replies, mentions and the new followers. And just beside it there's a chat. What you can do is there's a private direct messaging icon, and in order to create a post, you can simply select to the plus icon on the bottom right, and you can type your text up to character limit. You can add photos, videos, add GIF, location, create poll, and after writing you can tap post at the top right, and under every post you'll see the icons of the reply, repost, like, view, analytics, bookmark, share. And for the reply, this is for the comment. Repost is shared to your followers. Like is to show appreciation. View analytics on your post. You can view any of the analytics, how people have engaged to your post. And in the bookmark, this is saving for the later, and you can share, which is externally saving. Sending to repost, you can tap on the repost icon here just beside the comment there, and select to this repost on the bottom and choose the repost or the quote, and this is it. You just reposted one of the posts on the Twitter. And using the search and trending, you can go to the search here. You can search any of the trending topics, breaking news, hashtags. Hashtags help categorize posts. For example, technology or iPhone, you can tap any trend to see the related post. Type down the hashtag and search for it, and you'll find tons of related posts under your hashtag. And you can also send the direct messages on the bottom right here. This is for the chat section. You can tap new messages icon, search the username, you can type the message and send. You can send the text, photo, gifs, voice messages if available. And if you want to edit your profile, in the top left we can find the small profile section icon. Select to there and you'll get into this profile section here. Tap on the profile and you can select to the setup profile. Over here you can also create your own by selecting to this plus icon, and it will lead you to your library. You can either take a camera selfie picture right now, or you can also go to the photo library and select a profile picture for your own. If you want to put any of the emojis, as I'm going to select one of the emoji, and you can add it like this also. Over here you can also select your bio. You can put any of the bio to describe yourself, what makes you special. And if you want to skip for now, you can select to the skip for now. If you want to change your username, you can do that as well. Over here you can select any of this location, your website, and the username, and a good bio makes your profile professional as well. And in the privacy setting over here, once you get into this option here on the bottom, we can find this privacy and setting. Here you can see the information about your account, download an archive of your data, or learn about your account as well. Here you can also change your password, turn on two-factor authentication, make account private, control notifications, manage data usage, adjust content preferences. And if you enable the private account, only approved followers see your post. In order to do that, you can select your account in the top. Over here, you can see your account information like your phone number and your email address. If you want to change your password, you can do that as well. If you want to download any of the archive of your data, you can simply select to this download here, and you can download your archive of your data as well. And the advanced feature would be the live audio discussion. You can join or host. You can also join the group space, interest. You can save post to read later. In order to save a post, on the top you can find the small save icon. Simply select there and you just saved one of the posts. And X also offers a premium subscription called X Blue, which gives extra feature beyond the free account. In order to access to your premium, in the top left again, go to your profile icon here. You can select to this premium just below the profile here, and you can see the benefits such as the blue checkmark verification, longer post, increased character limit, fewer ads, priority ranking in replies, access to special content or features like polls and media uploads, and tap subscribe and confirm with the Apple ID. You can also select your monthly plan or the annual plan here. You can go to the basic subscription plan. You can go to this premium, or you can also go to this premium plus. Premium plus is for the fully ad-free super grok, handle marketplace, highest reply boost, and many more. And in this premium, you can go to the verified tick, enhanced grok access, advanced analytic, and you can get still ads, but which is for the less ads. And over here in this basic, for this enhanced subscription, enhanced experience, bookmark folders, and download videos. You can simply tap on the subscribe and pay, and you can proceed to it. And this is completely optional, but many users choose it to enhance the experience and get verified on the X. And in order to access to your help center, if you have any problem accessing any of your login, or if you want any support from your Twitter, in order to do that, you can simply go to this help center all the way to the bottom. Over here, you can search for the common issues, login, password, post, learn how to report spam or abusive behavior, understand account policies. You can also access support guides from your mobile, desktop, or the premium features, and it's like an official guide inside the app, perfect for the beginners. If you want to block any content, any of this account, and blocking someone prevents them from interacting with you, seeing your post, or sending messages. And in order to block, what you can do is select any of the profile that you want to block, as I'm going to select one of this. Over here, once you reach into this account interface, at the top right, there's a 3-dot icon. Select to this 3-dot icon, and you can select to this block or the report. And if you want to mute all of the posts, you can do that as well. But if you want to block for now, you can tap on this block, and that is it. After blocking, they cannot follow you, cannot reply to your post, cannot view your post if your account is private. And if you also want to mute, you can do that as well. It is useful if you want to avoid seeing someone's post temporarily. And if you want to follow and unfollow the users, following someone on X means their post will appear in your home timeline, and you'll get updates about the activity. And unfollowing removes them from your feed without blocking them. In order to follow somebody, you can simply search for a user. You can select one of the user profile here, and here what you can do is you can go to their profile, and it will open to this profile interface. Here what you can do is on the top you can find this small follow icon. Select to this follow, and over here you'll see this button. Once you tap to it, you are now following them. Their post will appear in your feed. Following official accounts, celebrities, new pages, or the friends help your feed stay personalized. And in order to unfollow, simply tap on this small unfollow icon here and select to this red icon, unfollow, and that is it. Their posts will no longer appear in your home timeline. They are not notified when you unfollow. And that is it. That's a complete guide on how to use X on iPhone. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.